morning, Spooky.
Yeah, I think if they didn't change my schedule, I would probably put
How you
them off once a
feeling?
week. Oh, I'm sorry. I know you're going out.
You okay, Spook?
Hey, Spooky.
Did you go potty?